Our hair speaks volumes about us, and frizzy or wavy hair can sometimes seem unruly. Understanding our hair type is the first step in tackling frizz. Frizz is often caused by lack of hydration in our hair or damage from heat styling. Regular hair care plays an important role in controlling frizz. First, the classic braid, a timeless choice. Whether it's a simple 3-strand or a chic fishtail, braids keep your waves tamed and stylish. Second, the top knot, a versatile option. Dress it up, dress it down, it's your go-to for any occasion. Third, the half up, half down. It's the perfect balance, letting your waves flow freely while keeping them off your face. Fourth, the side-swept look. Elegant and simple, it adds a touch of glamour to your everyday style. And finally, the loose ponytail. Casual yet chic, it's a style that's always in season. Let's say goodbye to heated styling tools that damage our hair and embrace heatless hairstyles. Braided styles or updos can tame frizz and give a polished look. Using hair products designed for your hair texture can help manage frizz. Remember, a great hair day is not too far away.